going to the paddy field and I'm gonna work very hard today. La 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 la. Oh, pocong mahan jatuh. Ui, dia muncul taman mana pula dah ni. Ya Allah, hai. Ui, apa dia pula dah tu terbang-terbang tu? Scary-nya. I wonder what is inside there. I think I'll have to check it out. Let's go. Yeah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, I'm Miss Stu. Are you ready to learn English with me today? Yay! Let's go. Oops. Before that, please like, leave your comment down below, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the notification bell next to the subscribe button too. Okay? I think it's time for me to go to the outer space. Do you want to join me? Yay! Let's go! Have you ever heard or used these words? Gonna, going to, and will. Are there any differences between these words? How to use them correctly in sentences? Well, today in this video, I'll explain to you how and when to use gonna, going to, and will. Then, we will learn how to use be going to in sentences correctly. I'll explain to you how to use it or how to construct sentence. Then I'll focus on the usage of be going to, where I will explain to you the rules of constructing sentence, how to use be going to in negative form and contracted form, and lastly I'll explain to you how to construct questions using be going to. So, are you ready to learn English with me? Yay! First thing first, these words differ with each other, gonna and going to. Well, the answer is no. The word gonna is the shorthand for going to. The word gonna is used for spoken English and it is less formal, while going to is used in written English and it is more formal. Remember, these kids never ever use the word gonna in written English, okay? Remember? Now, what about will and going to? Do you often get confused on how to use will and going to? Well, don't worry about that. Actually, both will and going to refer to the future. There is a slight difference on the function of the word will and going to. But if you misuse them, it is okay because people can still understand you. Now, let's look at when to use will. Number 1, rapid decision. Example, I'm hungry. I think I'll cook something to eat. Number 2, making offer. Example, that box looks heavy. I'll help you carry it. Number 3, making promise. Example, don't worry, I won't tell anyone. Last one for will is for making threat. Example, if you don't stop teasing me, I will tell the headmaster. Now, let's take a look at when to use going to. First, for prior plan. Example, we are going to have a picnic at the island next Sunday. We also use going to for sign or evidence. For example, it is going to rain soon. I just felt a drop on my face. Last but not least, you can use both will and going to make prediction. For example, I think it will rain tomorrow, or I think it is going to rain tomorrow. Okay everyone, how to use will in sentences? Well, you can watch my explanation about simple future tense by clicking the linking up there to watch my explanation about how and when to use will. In this video, I'll explain to you how to use be going to correctly in sentences. First, let's look at the rules of constructing the sentence.
Here's the rule. We start with subject, followed by verb to be, followed by going to, and then action verb must be written in base form, and lastly, complement to complete your sentence.
Here are a few examples on how to use be going to for different subjects in sentences. I'll be using pronouns, kata ganti nama diri, and also noun for my examples later. To make sure that you could understand my explanation better, I think it is best for you to recall all the rules for singular and plural for noun, and then you remember all the 5 verb to be's and all the rules that I have taught you for to infinitive. If you're not sure about this, I mean the singular, plural, or all the verb to be's, please check out this video, okay, the video over there, okay, you can click the link over there to watch my other explanation about the things that we are going to use in today's lesson.
Before we look at the examples, if you look at my table, I use different colors to differentiate the subject. Pink for I, green for singular subject, and yellow for plural subject. Now let's read all the examples together. Number 1. I am going to learn Japanese language. Number 2. He is going to eat the whole cake. Number 3. She is going to cook dinner tonight. Number 4. It is going to rain tomorrow. Number 5. The girl is going to dance on the stage. Number 6. You are going to follow your uncle to the shop. Number 7. They are going to watch a movie later. Number 8. We are going to sing a song for our teacher. And last one, the girls are going to play netball next month.
Next, let's look at how to use be going to in negative form. It means you are not going to do the action. Tak nak buat lah. The rule is simple. You just add the word not after verb to be and then before the word going to. For example, I am not going to eat the chicken.
Here are the same examples but in negative form. I am not going to learn Japanese language. He is not going to eat the whole cake. She is not going to cook dinner tonight. It is not going to rain tomorrow. The girl is not going to dance on the stage. You are not going to follow your uncle to the shop. They are not going to watch the movie later. We are not going to sing a song for our teacher. And the last example, the girls are not going to play netball next month. Here's how to write the sentences in contracted form.
Okay everyone, we have come to the last part of today's lesson, which is how to construct question using going to. Well, this time the rule is also easy. It's like playing word scramble, where you only have to change the place of verb to be in the sentence. Okay, so this time you take the verb to be, M is a was word, no sorry, M is a, and then you change it to the front of the sentence. And then you just add question mark at the end of your question. Let's look at the example of writing going to in question form.
Now let's read the questions together. Am I going to learn Japanese language? Is he going to eat the whole cake? Is she going to cook dinner tonight? Is it going to rain tomorrow? Is the girl going to dance on the stage? Are you going to follow your uncle to the shop? Are they going to watch a movie later? Are we going to sing a song for our teacher? Last one, are the girls going to play netball next month?
Kids, if you are a Year 4 pupils, you can check out your textbook, page 39 until 42 for today's lesson. And you are lucky because you can do some exercises in your textbook and also your workbook.
That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like all.